Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. Because today is Friday, I thought there's no better day to share Tuwon Shinkafa than today. So here's how I make my Tuwon Shinkafa. So that is my long grain rice that I already washed. If you want, you can also soak it in the water for like 10 minutes or so. So after that, I'll go ahead and add my rice inside the water, and then I'll let it cook for like 45 minutes or so. I'll give it a little bit of stir, and then I will cover it. Again, I will cook it until when it is really soft, so about 45 minutes or so. And then now, 45 minutes later, it's looking good. I already touched it and it's really soft. So we're going to need some flour. But before I add the flour, I will start by mixing it, folding it, giving it a really good stir. And then I'll go ahead and add the flour. After adding the flour, I'll keep doing the same thing. So I'll keep mixing it and folding it, just like that, until when I'm sure everything is well combined and I can no longer see the flour. That way I'm sure all the flour is inside and it's looking good. So after that, I'll go ahead and cover it and let it cook for like 2 minutes on low heat. So before I start wrapping the tuwo, I will give it one last good stir. I will really do this for like 30 seconds. So just give it a really good stir, and then I will go ahead now and start wrapping it. So I'll be using my Nigerian white bag. If you don't have that, you can use the cling wrap. The clear food wrap is the same thing. The reason why I love to wrap my tuwo is because I will keep tuwo for like 5 days also in the fridge, and every time I bring it out, it's like new. But if you don't wrap it up, the tuwo always dry, it's always dry. And my son loved tuwo, so that's why I love to make a lot and just keep it in the fridge. So that's just how I wrap it up, and then pretty much we're done. Tuwo is ready. I will be enjoying my tuwo with miyo kuka, my favorite. If you guys want me to share how I make my miyo kuka, just comment down below, or if you have any questions. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you.